Question 8. Here is a number machine. We have an input, subtract 2 from that input, then divide the answer by 4, and we have an output. Question 8a asks us to work out the output when the input is 12. So what we have to do for this is to follow the sequence. If we put 12 into the machine, the first step, it says, is to subtract 2. So we'll take 2 from our number. 12 subtract 2 equals 10. The next step is to divide by 4. So in this situation we have 10 divided by 4. Doesn't go exactly. At this stage I'm going to use the bus method to help me work out how to divide by 4. We're dividing 10, so that goes underneath, by 4. How many times does 4 go into 1? Well, it doesn't, it's too big. So we have a 0, and that 10 carries across. How many 4s go into 10? 4, 8, 12. Well, only 2 will go in, but that still leaves us with 2. This carries over past where the decimal would be. So that 2 carries over, to give me 20 tenths. How many 4s go into 20? 5 exactly. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So my answer here is, if I put 12 in, I'm going to get 2.5 or 2.5 as an output. Question 8b, work out the input when the output is -3. Now this is about where we're going to have to do some more inverse operations. We have to work backwards, because this time we're starting on the right hand side with -3 as the answer. Now if we work backwards through a number machine, we have to reverse all of the operations. So I'm going to go back and annotate the diagrams so that I don't forget what the inverse is. So instead of dividing by 4, I'm going to multiply by 4. As we continue back along our journey, instead of subtracting 2, I'm going to add 2. And that will take us back to the input. So if we're starting with a -3, we have -3, and we're going to multiply by 4. Follow the arrows of our reverse number machine. 3 times 4 is 12, so -3 times 4 must be a -12. After this, we need to add 2. So we're going to have our -12 from our previous answer and add 2. Again, don't make a mistake of this and say plus 14, because that would be making the number even smaller. We're at -12. If we add 2 to this, we end up with -10. And that would be our answer. We would have started with -10. We can double check this answer by saying -10 take away 2 is -12. -12 divided by 4 is -3.